The Magic 5 line, another flagship series from Honor, is ready to launch. The Magic 5 Lite is already on sale, and shortly it will be joined by the 5 and 5 Pro, given a launch at the MWC Trade Expo. Here's everything you need to know about the Magic 5 phones and any additional variants that may be introduced in China in the future. The Magic 5 costs €899 and includes 256 gigs of storage, in addition to 8 gigs of RAM. Given the €300 price difference between the normal Magic 5 and Pro, the regular Magic 5 might be a superior purchase for many consumers. You receive the device with essentially the same appearance, a quad-curved display of the same size, and eye protection features that match. It is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and has a 5100 mAh battery. It even offers the same 66 watts wired charging, but ditches the wireless charging. The second significant omission is an IP rating, and cameras are similarly degraded. Although they share a similar appearance and there are still 3 of them on the back, the actual sensors of 54 megapixel main camera, a 50 megapixel ultra-wide, and a 32 megapixel telephoto are different. Even if they all have excellent resolution, you may still expect lower image quality than with Pro versions. The Magic 5 weighs 191 grams, which is 8 grams lighter than the previous Honor Magic 4, and the sense of presence in the hand is smaller. Coupled with the one-piece curved glass back panel and the 4-curved screen this time, the Honor Magic 5 has a good fit in the hand. The weight reduction and thinner and rounder appearance make it more intuitive to hold than changes in paper parameters. The main camera of the Honor Magic 5 is a 54 megapixel main camera with a super wide angle of 50 megapixel, a 122 degrees super large viewing angle, and a 2.5 centimeters super macro. The telephoto lens is a 32 megapixel 2.5x telephoto and supports optical image stabilization. This set of lenses is also honored as the Hawkeye camera system. Can the actual performance be as strong as Hawkeye? At night, Honor Magic 5 still maintains good color reproduction and accurate white balance. For scenes with complex details, it can also maintain high resolution and retain more details in photos. At the same time, the highlight control of the photo also has a good performance. Even in a scene with low light, it can also have a good control of the highlights in the shopping mall window. At the same time, we also clearly felt during our test that through the AP lens customized by the main camera of Honor, the glare and ghosting are well controlled, and the obtained night picture is very pure. After the battery life test to the dead model test of Huangji evaluation, at 25 degrees Celsius room temperature, from 100% to automatic shutdown, the Honor Magic 5 lasted for a total of 9 hours and 2 minutes. This level of battery life can be said to be very scary. For one-day use, there is basically no need to worry. It is a flagship experience that takes into account both long battery life and thin and light feel. In the future, we will also update the battery life performance of the Honor Magic 5 Pro. In terms of charging, the Honor Magic 5 still supports 66 watts charging. It starts charging from 0, charges 60% in half an hour, and takes a total of 57 minutes to fully charge, which is consistent with the Honor Magic 4. With a large battery and long battery life, coupled with a not-so-slow charging speed, the battery performance of the Honor Magic 5 can meet the daily needs of most people. This time the Honor Magic 5 is equipped with the second-generation Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 platform, and its performance is naturally nothing to say. At a room temperature of 25 degrees Celsius, after a round of Honor of Kings with the highest quality and frame rate, the average frame rate of Honor Magic 5 is 120 FPS. The Honor Magic 5 is also equipped with the Magic OS 7.1 system, which has functions such as breath wake-up, private calling, and air cleaning. When you need to use the voice assistant, you only need to lift the phone, put the microphone at the bottom of the phone close to your mouth, and you can speak the voice command directly. The whole process is smoother than waking up the voice assistant first, and then speaking the command. We also tested the performance of different brands in terms of private calls, and Honor had a very good performance at that time. Now Honor Magic 5 has brought Smart Privacy Call 2.0. Through the appearance of the hardware, the anti-phase sound wave is used to offset the call leakage. When answering the call, you only need to press the volume button to get an excellent private call effect. After these few days of use, we believe that Honor Magic 5, as a flagship model, has left more in terms of feel, battery life and image updates, in addition to the conventional hardware performance upgrade of the second-generation Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Deep Impression. Through technological innovation, Honor has given an answer to make the flagship model continuously lighter and thinner, on the basis of ensuring performance and battery life. As the entry-level model of Honor's annual flagship, Honor Magic 5's balanced performance in terms of performance, image, appearance, battery life, etc., coupled with the blessing of Magic OS 7.0, makes it a medium-sized flagship suitable for most people. Users who have a higher pursuit of battery life or appearance can wait for the specific performance of Honor Magic 5 Pro and the annual version of the model. What do you think about the new phone? Write your opinion. Thanks for watching and see you soon.